Let's start playing the left hand from low C to middle C, from middle C to low C, up and down. Okay, let's see the finger numbers first. From here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. To reach here, you start playing from your number 5, little finger, and move like this. So let's see how to play. Start from 5 on C, 4 on D, 3 on E, 2 on F, 1 on G. Put 3 on A, 2 on B, 1 on C. Let's try again. 5 on C, 4 on B, 3 on E, 2 on F, 1 on G. Remember, 3 on A, 2 on B, 1 on C. Let's try one more time. 5, 3 on A. Okay, let's going back to this C. You start from 1 on C, 2 on B, 3 on A. After this, move 1 on G, 2 on F, 3 on E, 4 on D, 5 on C. Always your 1 is playing G when you go up and down. Try again from middle C to low C. You start from 1 on C, 2 on B, 3 on A, and 1 on G, 2 on F, 3 on E, 4 on D, 5 on C. Let's try again. 1 on G, let's go from the low C to middle C and back to the low C. You start 5 on G, 3 on A. Start from 1, 2, 3, and this thumb comes on G. Let's go one more time. 3 on A. Start from 1. 1 on G. Now you cover all notes. Super!